19 Beautiful Indoor Flower Garden for Small Space. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're excited to share 19 creative concepts for beautiful, small space indoor gardens designed to maximize your space and bring nature indoors. Whether you're working with limited square footage or simply want to add a burst of greenery to your home, these garden ideas are perfect for all types of spaces. From vertical gardens and tabletop displays to unique hanging plants and cozy nooks, you'll find endless inspiration to transform your indoor space into a vibrant oasis. Each concept has been carefully crafted to bring beauty, tranquility, and a touch of nature into your everyday life. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into these stunning small space garden ideas that will brighten up any corner of your home. Idea number 1. Tiered Tropical Escape. A bamboo plant stand holds tropical flowering plants such as pink bromeliads, orange bird of paradise, and white peace lilies. The plants are arranged in tiers, creating a layered effect that enhances the natural beauty of the flowers. Surrounding the plants are seashells and a small water fountain, adding to the tropical ambience. The soft light shining through the plants creates a tranquil and peaceful atmosphere, perfect for creating an indoor tropical escape. The stand allows the plants to be displayed in a way that maximizes space while still showcasing their vibrant colors. Idea number 2. Corner Garden Cascade. A corner plant stand features cascading plants like string of pearls, purple heart, and Hoya, creating a lush and flowing display. The plants spill over the edges, giving the garden a wild, untamed look. The soft lighting and natural stones surrounding the plants enhance the natural feel of the setup, making it a calming and serene corner. This indoor garden adds texture and depth to a corner space, making it come alive with color and greenery while remaining compact and space efficient. Idea number 3. Layered Green Haven. A multi-tiered plant stand holds a collection of flowering plants, such as pink roses, yellow chrysanthemums, and cascading asparagus ferns. Each tier is carefully arranged to create a layered, harmonious look, allowing each plant to shine in its own space. The stand is placed within a cozy reading nook, where a comfy armchair invites relaxation. Nearby, a stack of books adds to the serene ambience, making this small indoor garden feel like a haven for both nature lovers and bookworms alike. The gentle lighting enhances the beauty of the plants, creating a calm, peaceful atmosphere perfect for unwinding after a long day. Idea number 4. Shelved Floral Symphony. This indoor garden features tiered wooden shelves, each filled with vibrant flowering plants such as purple orchids, orange zinnias, and pink geraniums. Small decorative lanterns sit between the plants, casting a soft light that adds a magical atmosphere to the space. The shelves are mounted on the wall, allowing the flowers to bloom without taking up valuable floor space. The arrangement creates a beautiful and colorful display, with the plants bringing life and energy to the room. The neutral beige backdrop ensures that the vibrant colors of the flowers are the main focal point, creating a striking visual effect. Idea number 5. Hanging Garden Charm. Suspended near a sunny window, this hanging garden features macrame planters holding colorful flowering plants such as purple fuchsias, pink geraniums, and white impatiens. The plants hang delicately, their vibrant colors adding life and energy to the space. The soft sunlight pouring through the window bathes the flowers in a gentle glow, enhancing their beauty. Below, a cozy seating area with wooden floors and plush throw pillows completes the space, offering a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the view of the hanging blooms. The arrangement is ideal for those who want to add greenery and color to their homes without taking up floor space. Idea number 6. Tabletop Botanical Wonderland. A wooden tray sits at the center of this small indoor garden, filled with an array of flowering plants such as white orchids, yellow snapdragons, and red miniature roses. The flowers are surrounded by smooth pebbles, adding a touch of texture and enhancing the natural feel of the setup. A soft glowing candle sits alongside the plants, casting a warm and inviting light. This miniature garden creates a sense of peace and tranquility, ideal for small spaces like coffee tables or window ledges. The simple beauty of the flowers and the calming atmosphere make this tabletop garden a perfect addition to any home. Idea number 7. Urban Jungle Nook. An industrial-inspired indoor garden features a sleek black shelving unit holding a variety of flowering plants, such as orange kalanchoes, pink azaleas, and purple violets. The plants are arranged with care, creating a lush jungle feel in the heart of the city. The backdrop of the concrete wall adds an urban edge, making the plants stand out in contrast. The combination of vibrant flowers and modern design makes this garden the perfect fit for an urban home. The shelving unit allows for easy display and organization, creating a functional yet stylish space that brings the beauty of nature indoors. Idea number 8. Tiny Terracotta Paradise. This indoor garden features a series of terracotta pots, each filled with a different flowering plant, such as lavender, red cyclamen, and orange nasturtiums. The pots are arranged on a small wooden crate, creating an attractive and functional display. The rustic charm of the terracotta pots is complemented by the white brick wall behind them, adding a natural, earthy touch to the setup. This compact garden is ideal for small spaces, yet the variety of colors and textures gives it a lush, vibrant feel. The simplicity of the setup allows the beauty of each plant to stand out, bringing a little piece of paradise indoors. Idea number 9. Petite Bohemian Retreat. An eclectic indoor garden features a collection of mismatched pots filled with flowers like pink snapdragons, blue delphiniums, and marigolds. The variety of colors and textures creates a vibrant and bohemian atmosphere, while the wooden bench, rugs, and string lights add a cozy, relaxed vibe. The pots are arranged in a casual, carefree way, allowing the plants to spill over and intertwine with one another. This whimsical and colorful garden is perfect for creating a personalized retreat in a small indoor space, offering a peaceful and inviting atmosphere for anyone looking to escape into nature. Idea number 10. Mini Botanical Library. A small indoor garden is integrated into a bookshelf, with flowering plants such as white jasmine, red anthuriums, and pastel-colored pansies sitting among books. The plants are positioned thoughtfully, with each flower peeking out from between the pages, adding natural beauty to the space. A soft desk lamp illuminates the arrangement, casting a warm and inviting glow over the plants and books. This setup combines the best of both worlds, a love for literature and a passion for nature, creating a peaceful and calming atmosphere for reading or relaxing in the comfort of your own home. Idea number 11. Sunny Staircase Oasis. A staircase lined with flowering plants such as violets, orange dahlias, and yellow calendulas creates a vibrant and colorful display. The pots are strategically placed along each step, with small wooden signs labeling the plants. The addition of fairy lights on the railing adds a magical touch, making the staircase feel like a hidden garden. The flowers bring life and color to an otherwise overlooked space, transforming the staircase into a joyful and lively feature of the home. The warm glow of the lights enhances the beauty of the plants, creating an inviting atmosphere that encourages exploration. Idea number 12. Terrarium Forest Escape. A large glass terrarium houses miniature flowering plants such as pink mini roses, white alyssum, and blue lobelias. The plants are surrounded by moss, pebbles, and tiny decorative mushrooms, creating a whimsical forest-like atmosphere. The terrarium serves as a miniature world, offering a peaceful escape into nature. The soft lighting inside the glass container creates a cozy, intimate environment, perfect for smaller spaces. This setup is ideal for adding a touch of greenery and tranquility to a desk, bookshelf, or windowsill, offering a unique way to incorporate nature indoors. Idea number 13. Blooming Ladder Haven. A leaning ladder-style plant stand holds a collection of vibrant flowers, including yellow tulips, red amaryllis, and purple campanulas. Each flower is carefully arranged on the rungs of the ladder, allowing the plants to cascade down, creating a beautiful and flowing display. The light gray wall behind the ladder provides a neutral backdrop, allowing the colors of the flowers to pop. The addition of a jute rug below adds warmth and texture to the space, creating a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. This vertical garden maximizes space while bringing a touch of nature to even the smallest corners of the home. Idea number 14. Compact Wildflower Patch. A small wooden planter box filled with wildflowers such as daisies, cornflowers, and buttercups creates a charming and colorful display. The planter sits on a rustic table near a sunny window, where it can soak up the natural light. The surrounding area features a watering can and gardening gloves, suggesting that the garden is well loved and cared for. The flowers' delicate colors and natural arrangement bring a sense of wild beauty into the space, offering a simple yet striking way to incorporate nature into your home. Idea number 15. Blooming Vertical Symphony. This vertical indoor garden features 3 tiers of planters overflowing with vibrant flowering plants, including pink petunias, yellow marigolds, and white daisies. The plants are arranged thoughtfully on a rustic wooden stand, which adds a touch of warmth to the space. The setup is bathed in soft, ambient lighting that highlights the rich colors of the flowers, creating a cheerful atmosphere in the room. Behind the stand, a beige wall serves as the perfect neutral backdrop, ensuring that the flowers are the focal point. The vertical arrangement maximizes space, making this a perfect solution for small spaces while maintaining the beauty and vibrancy of a blooming garden. This setup brings nature indoors in a compact, yet dramatic way. Idea number 16. Pocket Jungle Retreat. This cozy corner indoor garden is filled with lush green ferns, bright orange begonias, and purple pansies, all placed in mismatched pots that add to the eclectic charm of the space. The variety of flowers and plants brings a burst of color, making the corner feel like a personal oasis. The plants are arranged strategically on a small table, with string lights draped overhead, casting a soft, warm glow on the scene. The room is furnished with a woven rug and a small wooden stool that complements the natural beauty of the plants. This peaceful and colorful corner garden invites relaxation and makes the space feel like a true retreat from the outside world. Idea number 17. Bloom Basket Nook. Woven baskets hang from a wooden rod, each one filled with vibrant flowering plants like petunias, pansies, and alyssum. The colorful blooms create a lively and joyful atmosphere, while the soft lighting adds a cozy touch to the nook. A vintage chair and woven mat complete the space, inviting relaxation and enjoyment of the beauty around. The hanging baskets add dimension to the room, maximizing vertical space while creating a garden that feels both airy and lush. This setup is perfect for adding charm to a small, cozy space. Idea number 18. Windowsill Wild Bloom Garden. A sunny windowsill is lined with terracotta pots holding bright wildflowers such as poppies, lupins, and asters. The natural sunlight pours in, illuminating the vibrant colors of the flowers and casting a warm, inviting glow across the room. The plants are arranged neatly along the sill, offering a beautiful view of the outdoors. The simple yet stunning display of wildflowers brings nature indoors, enhancing the overall mood of the space and creating a peaceful, refreshing atmosphere. The natural light highlights the vivid colors and delicate textures of the flowers. Idea number 19. Micro Zen Garden Bloom. A low wooden table holds a selection of flowering bonsai trees, azaleas, and small flowering cacti, surrounded by smooth pebbles and concentric sand patterns. The table creates a sense of calm and tranquility, evoking the serene atmosphere of a Zen garden. Soft lighting and the presence of a bamboo rake invite mindfulness and meditation. This small yet beautiful garden brings peace and balance to a compact space, perfect for those seeking a peaceful retreat within their home. The simplicity and serenity of the setup offer a soothing escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. That's all the 19 beautiful indoor flower garden ideas for small space. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more ideas like this.